Hey guys, I'm gonna try, hopefully this will work, and I've just set up Backtrack to run as just like you've turned on your computer and you've got a CD in there for Backtrack. So I'm gonna hack, this is gonna be hacking into Windows 7. So just wait for this to load up, and it should be pretty, I don't know, just hurry up. Defer to full screen. I don't know if I've actually set a password for my Windows 7 installation yet. So after I've done this, we'll soon find out. Just let me move a chair a minute. Right. Yeah, I'm using a new mic because someone chopped my microphone wire, and I'm kind of pissed about that. So, yeah, it just arrived today, and this is the first video I'm doing, and I'm just checking it out. Just wish this would hurry up. You know what, I'm going to come back after it's loaded, and then we'll carry on from there, okay? It's the gnome I loaded up on this. Right, where's the mouse? There you go. I'm just going to pause this a minute. Oh yeah, I'm back again. Yeah, Backtrack's loaded up. All I've done, I've loaded Backtrack now. Easy way to mount is just click on places and then mount the file system, which it is. So like, you just mount the hard drive with the Windows installation on. And then you do, you type in cd / media. And then it goes into the media folder, and then you type ls. And this little number here, you want to copy that. And then type in cd / media, and then paste that in there for another /. And now you are in the hard drive. Now what this is going to do, you can just type ls and find all the files. What we're going to do is rename utility manager to, let me check the time a minute, yeah, that's fine, I got enough time. Right, when you start at Windows, you have a file called utilman, right before you log in. And if you press the Windows key and U, it brings up Utility Manager, which basically Utility Manager is like all the hearing problems, basically the accessibility. So like you can't see things properly or you can't hear things properly. So there's a narrator and stuff like that. What we're going to do is name that to something else, and then take CMD and then put that in its place. So then when you start up, you press the Windows key and U, it'll bring up this command box, and then you can change the password for the net user. People think this is hacking. Well, it is, but it isn't. It depends what you use it for. If you forgot your Windows password and you do it to recover your Windows password, then that is completely fine. But if you do it for malicious activity, then obviously people will see it as hacking. So basically all you do, you go into media folder, and then you have that big number, and then you type in the same, or just press up and then do another / and then type in Windows. Oh, if I can spell it right, sorry. Then you press up again and then type in System 32. Oh, sorry. You can just press ls if you want to look at the folders. Right, now you're in Windows System 32. You want to, I think this is a code. You want to type in mv utilman.exe to utilman.old. Will it work? Hopefully it did. And now you press cp, I think that stands for copy, cmd.exe to utilman.exe. Now that should type in ls, and it might take a while because there's a load of files there. You know, I'll just quit that. I'm going to reboot this, and I'm going to load Windows 7 up, and once it's loaded up, I'll obviously put the video back on to record. So I'm just going to type in reboot, and I just got to quickly unmount unmount that, and I'll just force a restart. There you go. So hopefully now Ubuntu's not on there, Backtrack isn't on there, sorry. You don't have to do this with Backtrack. Start Windows normally. This is the part that does my head in because it takes a while for some reason. Right, I'm gonna pause the video until it starts loading up. See you in a minute. It actually started loading up just after I paused the video, so here you go. Don't be slow again. Come on. Yeah, this is a really easy way to get into it. Like, people say OPH crack and stuff like that, I'll do it. But that's only good for getting the hash files, and then you have to crack them with like some program like hashcat or something. And to me, this is such an easier way when you can just change the admin password and just get into it that way. Please wait. Have I got a password on here? No, I have not got a password on here. So, what I'm going to do is... Oh, I was doing something with Call of Duty on here. I'm going to go into Control Panel. I'm going to go down to, where is it, User Accounts. And I'm going to put a password on the admin account. Or, yeah, I am the admin. If I create a password for my account, I am going to put YouTube. No, password. Password. Right. And in the password hint, I'll just put password. Create a password. And it's got a password. So obviously, if you forgot your password, then you won't be able to get in. Obviously, it's common sense, really. So you won't have to do that. But if you want to do it to try it, you're welcome. But like, if you already got a password on your computer, which you should have, then you won't need to do it, will you? So it's just logging off a minute. Oh, it's restarted. We'll just have to wait for this to load back up. It did shut down correctly. You don't know what you're talking about. I hate Windows. Right, when it starts up, I'm going to press the Windows key and U for... you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm doing that little inverted commas, Utility Manager. That'll be coming up. And then CMD should come up. If it doesn't and my start menu comes up, I gotta find out what the button is, because it might be the host button, which is the right control. It might be that button and you, so I don't know. So we'll find out now. Yeah, if you want to request anything with Backtrack, I'm not that experienced with it, but right, here we go. I'm not that experienced with it, but if you hit me a comment or something, I will try my best and make a tutorial on it, because you two have been playing up and I haven't been able to upload some videos, but I am trying to. So if you've got any requests, just hit me up. Right, I think it's, if you click on ease of access, there you go. You don't have to press the Windows key and U. Right, you can. Yeah, there you go. I just pressed the Windows key and U. And utilman.exe, but it's a command shell. How weird. If you type in explorer.exe, then it's setting up personalized settings. You're going to be a network user, or called system. It's just setting yourself a profile, and in a second it should, for full screen, it should come up with a little explorer bar. But if you can't get into the computer that way, I am just going to show you how to get it. Oh, phone. Sorry about this, I got a message. Right, if I press the Windows key, will it come up? Right. I'm just gonna type in net user, press enter. It's doing my head in. I'm Welsh, by the way, so yeah, like I had somebody messaging me saying, like, finally, there you go, another Welsh person. But yeah, look, you got the little explorer bar. Isn't that cool? By typing one little command in there, you've got everything. You can go online, but obviously it's running slow. Look, you are this system, so you have access to everything. But what we want is just this. Bugger off, Internet Explorer. I hate when Internet Explorer. Get away. Right, basically, net user, type in administrator, and then type a star. The star means to set a password, and it says type a password for the user. So I'm going to type in QWERTY. Right, don't fret about this, because I was typing and you couldn't see it. It is purely just for security reasons. If somebody's behind you watching what you're doing, they won't see the asterisk to know how long it is, or they will not see the characters at all, so that's good. And if you want to change it for a user, you just type in Kevlar, which is my user, and then star, and then it says type a password for the user. I'll type in QWERTY again, and the command completed successfully for both of them. So you can just type exit to go out of that, and then if you type in PASSWORD, oh no, the username and password is incorrect. QWERTY. Welcome. Right guys, you just successfully hacked into a Windows machine. If you got any questions about this, because it is that easy, see, look, everything's as I left it out. Yeah, it's that easy. You might not think it, but it really is. So I'm gonna end this video. Unexpected shutdown. I did not have a blue screen, did you see a blue screen come up, YouTube? Did you really? Because I think I know what it is. I think it's a LAN driver. Gotta install the drivers for it. Yeah, I'm gonna use in this for tutorials anyway, so if you got any requests, just hit me up. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, this is Due to How. Peace out.